How's it going, folks? We're out here in the garage today, gonna shoot a little video about an install for a Fender Eliminator kit on a Ninja 400. We're gonna put the Yosh kit on there. I'm gonna throw that up on the screen, let you see that. It's a pretty good install. Yoshimura is always super cool. I highly suggest you go with Yosh. Made here in America, Japanese name, American made. So let's see how it goes. I got my buddy, my little sidekick Jerry here today. We're going to stick this thing on, see what happens. Motorcycle's gonna do day to day. This is a bumpy road. You can hear it in my voice. So the first thing we're gonna do here is unplug our blinkers and our tag light. The left blinker is gonna be indicated by the gray color. And then we're gonna get to work on these 4 Allen head bolts right here. Loosen those guys up, feed the wires through the little hole, and it's going to allow the whole giant rear tail section to just fall away. It really is just that easy. So per the instructions from Yoshimura, we are going to wire the black wire with the yellow stripe to the black wire and the red wire to the red wire for our super cool LED taillight. Now it's back to install time. I fed the wires back up through the little hole in the tail section, plugged them back in right there, and I'm attaching the 4 Allen head bolts with the new nuts supplied by Yoshimura. So you're just going to put those 4 guys through there, secure those nuts on the bottom, torque them up to factory spec, and you're pretty much ready to go. Jerry's decided to reuse his factory OEM blinkers, which is a really good idea. Nice and visible, save you a little money. I really like that setup. It just kind of plugs right into the Yosh Fender Eliminator. So we got Lil Jerry's Fender Eliminator installed. It went really smoothly. Yosh supplied us with some really detailed instructions, which are super helpful, man. There's a lot of stuff comes these days with no instructions, or they want you to go online. It went on really easy. It looks super clean. I'll throw a couple pictures up. I highly recommend Yoshimura Fender Eliminator for the Ninja 400. Really easy, clean, good looking install, very high quality. Good job from Yosh. So this is Road Race Guy. We'll see you folks later. Woo! If I can stop my video. If you like my videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me make more. Thank you.